In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test audio and video settings before a Microsoft Teams meeting. Before you officially enter a meeting, it's a good idea to make sure your microphone and camera are working the way you want. Doing this quick check can help you avoid common problems like muted audio, the wrong camera being selected, or joining the meeting before you're ready to be seen or heard. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the Meet area. This is where you can access meeting options and prepare to join. Once you're there, look for the Join option and click it to start the meeting entry process. After that, you'll be taken to the Pre-Join preview screen. This is the most important part of the setup because it gives you a chance to review your audio and video before entering the meeting itself. On this screen, you can usually see a live preview from your camera, if it's turned on, which helps you check your framing, lighting, and overall appearance. If your camera view doesn't look right, this is the best moment to notice it before anyone else does. Next, focus on the microphone and camera icons. You can toggle each one on or off depending on how you want to enter the meeting. If you want other people to hear you as soon as you join, make sure the microphone is turned on. If you'd rather join silently at first, leave it off. The same applies to your camera. Turn it on if you're ready to be visible, or leave it off if you want to join without video. This step is helpful, not only for privacy, but also for testing. If the microphone or camera doesn't respond as expected, the preview screen gives you a chance to catch that before joining. It's a simple habit that can make meetings feel much smoother and more professional. Once you've confirmed that your microphone and camera are set the way you want, click Join Now. That will take you into the meeting with your selected audio and video settings already applied. And that's it. By using the pre-join preview screen in Microsoft Teams, you can quickly test your setup, control how you appear when entering, and avoid last-minute technical issues. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in helping your meeting start smoothly.